Hi, welcome back to 365 Days of Tapping. My name is Dalton, and tapping pretty much saved me from a life of panic attacks, overwhelm, feeling like I was sleepwalking through life, and just fighting every day to get by. And I'm very grateful for the person that showed me how to do it, so I've been trying to pass that forward or pay that forward with this series. Today is an important one for me, and it kind of piggybacks off of what we tapped on yesterday, which was yesterday was the feeling of comparing yourself to others, and today is this feeling of being behind in life, like you should be further by now. And that's been a big one for me to even start to get a little more clear and closure on, of like, I always feel like, I have all these grand plans, but I want them to all finish like right now. Like I don't want to do the journey. I just want to reap what I think are going to be the benefits. But that's not a healthy way to live whatsoever. And like I said, the last 3 years of being in that debilitating state, of anxiety and panic attacks showed me that I need to start learning how to live on a day-to-day satisfaction instead of keeping all of that happiness, joy, and satisfaction from myself and placing it on a later date. So the script that I wrote today is based off of the teachings of Don Miguel Ruiz, who wrote one of my all-time favorite books, The Four Agreements, along with many others. But this whole script is kind of to help quiet down that unneeded urgency, and kind of let you release that pressure of thinking or feeling like you need to be farther than you already are. So, like always, only tap on things that feel safe, true, correct for you. And if it doesn't, just ignore it, pass it, or repeat the previous affirmation. And we're going to start on the side of our hand, the karate chop point, and just repeat after me, either out loud or in your head. Even though I feel like I should be farther along by now, I deeply honor, love, and accept myself. Even though I feel behind and out of step with where I should be, I deeply honor, love, and accept myself. Even though I carry pressure to prove, to catch up, or to fix it all, I deeply honor, love, and accept myself. Take a deep breath in and release it, and we'll move on to tapping through the points, starting at the top of your head. So repeat after me. I feel like I've missed my window. Everyone seems so much further ahead than me. There's a tightness in my chest and a weight on my shoulders that says I'm not doing enough. I keep comparing my timeline to someone else's. The pressure to succeed has become exhausting. I'm afraid I've wasted time or made the wrong choices. I judge myself for not being farther ahead. And I choose now to release the belief that I am somehow behind in life. I come back to this moment, my real life, not the imagined one. I breathe into the pace I'm living at now. There's no race, only the present moment. My timeline is not wrong. I soften the urgency and return to peace. My worth isn't defined by milestones or achievements. Every breath brings me right back to center. This moment is exactly where I'm meant to be. I'm allowed to progress at the pace that's right for me. Even detours are part of my path. My journey has value, even when it's slow or quiet. There's wisdom in where I've been. I am no longer in a race. I'm in a relationship with life. I don't need to prove anything to be worthy. I begin again, gently and on my own terms. My life is unfolding in perfect alignment with who I truly am. I trust my path even when it doesn't look like anyone else's. I walk with clarity, peace, and self-trust. There is no behind, only my sacred unfolding. I move in rhythm with truth, not pressure. I no longer live by comparison of someone else's timeline. My success is measured by inner peace, I live my truth with confidence and joy. I am exactly where I need to be. I feel clear, confident, and completely at peace with my path. My timing is perfect, and it has always been perfect. My growth is real, powerful, and deeply aligned. I no longer measure myself by anyone else's standards. I am present, grounded, and fulfilled. I walk in purpose and presence, never pressure. This is my life, and I love the way it's unfolding. This is who I am now. I welcome this new reality with gratitude, grace, and excitement. Take a deep breath in, release it. We'll do some self-havening for the final affirmation. So repeat after me. I am not behind. I am on my path. I trust where I am. I am not behind. I am on my path. I trust where I am. I am not behind. I am on my path. I trust where I am. Like I said, it's an important one for me. It's a great reminder. I hope you feel a little bit better after, a little bit of a relief after tapping to that one, that you're exactly where you need to be. And it reminds me of a quote that was something like, the amount that you feel like you need to rush is the amount that your nervous system is scared. And I'm paraphrasing that terribly, but I think about that all the time whenever I'm feeling like I need to rush somewhere or I'm not far enough ahead, where it's like, oh, this is actually a fear response from my nervous system, and I should come back and do something like another round of tapping. So I hope you feel a little bit better, a little lighter, a little more spacious. Thanks for tapping with me today, and I will see you tomorrow.